Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AR Doodle with your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus. Now first let's go back to your home screen and launch the camera app. Then make sure you choose video, tap on video, and then tap on the AR Doodle button at the top here. Then you have two options. You can choose face or everywhere. If you're going to choose face, we're going to need to use the front camera, so make sure you switch to the front camera. Now at the bottom here you have different kind of pens you can choose. That one there, you can choose that one. So let's have a look at the different kind of pens that you can use. So that's kind of like a semi transparent. Then you got that one there. You can also tap on the color to choose a different color. Then you got so go back to pen. You got that one there. And then you got that one there. Then you got this one here as well. So you have to draw within the face. You can't go outside this face circle. Otherwise you have to choose everywhere. And once you're happy, you can basically start recording. So I'm just going to clear that and start fresh again. So let's say I want to use this pen here, and we can draw here, and that's going to follow you. So if I move my head around, that's just gonna follow me. But you can also use it with the back camera as well. So I'm just gonna switch it to the back camera, and you can choose different color pen, and then at the top here you choose everywhere. So I'm just gonna move out, and then we try to use everywhere, and then see if we can move to a better spot that has better lighting. So here, so we can start drawing. You can see this pen is too big, so I'm just going to choose a smaller tip right here, and I'll clear that one. So just give me a second, I do a few drawings. Now there is a button, back and forth button. So if you're making mistakes, you can tap on the back key to go back and erase that. So there is a back button here and forward button, as you can see. So I'm just going to do some drawings, and I'll show you some really cool things with this one. Okay, so I have just drawn a bunch of circles on the phone. So you can see if I walk around the circles, you can actually see it, like it's kind of like a virtual 3D kind of things. So that is the circle right there, and now I can kind of like walk into the circles, as you can see. So sorry about the focus, just trying to get my phone camera on into focus right here. So there it is, and you can walk in inside the circle, as you can see. I'm just going to draw it in. So that's walking into the circle. So there it is. It looks really awesome, and there it is. So let's walk out and have a look at the circles that we're drawing. So there it is. So that's kind of AR doodles, and then you can just kind of like record what you draw. Press on the record button. So I'm just going to go back here. So you can record up to a minute of videos. So I'm just going to reverse back and walk into that. So yeah, that's how you can use the AR Doodles, the true functionality of it is pretty much for fun. I guess you can do other things as well. If you want to point something else in the videos to a specific things, then you can draw it, and then you can just kind of record and point to where you want to have the attention to. But then that's it. That's all it is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.